the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Intellifluence, guys. So the reason why I'm doing this video because the CEO of Intellifluence has reached out to me and he asked me to join his company. So I am thinking about joining this website here. So if you guys want to be an influencer, check out this website. It's pretty interesting, guys. So I was surprised that I got approached by the CEO of this company. I was surprised, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I appreciate the invitation to the company. Thank you very much, Mr. Sinkwitz. I appreciate that a lot. If you ever see this video, so I really appreciate that you have thought about me in joining your company, and I'm actually thinking about it. But you know, if you guys want to join this company, I suggest you guys try it out. It's free to join, guys, so that's a win. So if you guys want to be an influencer, it does not cost you nothing to join. So hey, it doesn't hurt to try it out. You never know, you might like it. You don't know till you try it out. So it says influencers get free products or cash for your reviews. Join for free. If you guys have multiple influencers, join as a talent manager. So you know, that's pretty cool there. If you guys want to do that, go down here. They have a video here. It'll show you guys how to join as an influencer. I suggest you guys check out this video and check out their channel on YouTube. I'll put a link to their channel in the description of this video. I'll put a link to the introductory video, and I'll also put a link to this video in the description of this video. So make sure that you guys check them out. Alright. So yeah, this is pretty cool. You know, it says it's always free to use and never expires. Getting compensated for simply doing what you already love to do. It's not a pipe dream. It's what our influencer marketing platform is based on. So this is basically a marketing platform here. Basically what it is. So if you guys want to try this out, hey, it's free and it never expires, so why not? It doesn't hurt to try it out, because you might like it. You never know till you try it, you know. So it says promote yourself, of course. It says complete your profile. Think of it as a mashup of your resume and a dating profile. So relevant brands can find you based on your experience and interest. So once you guys sign up for the service for the first time, it will ask you for 5 interests. It will ask you for 5 things that you're interested in. So do that. So you know, yeah. Get compensated. Brands will reach out with offers of free products or cash. Whether you're a full-time paid reviewer or simply want free stuff, this is the service for you. Share your thoughts. Once you've tried out the product or service, share an honest review with your followers to fulfill your agreement. That's all there is to it. So basically, yeah, so as you guys probably know, if you guys get free stuff from companies, they want you to get people, they want you to influence people to buy their products. They want you to do review, and they want you to influence people to buy their products and stuff like that. So that's all you gotta do is do a review on their product and fulfill the agreement. It's not that hard, you know. So it's not that hard. So make a YouTube video about your review and call it a day. Make it just share it on all your social networking sites and all that. It's not that hard, man. It's really easy to do. It's not that hard. It's pretty much self-explanatory, straightforward. It says get product, get paid, be happy, join for free, of course. It says our service is always free for influencers and never expires. So yeah, man, this is pretty interesting, guys. I'm considering joining, but I'm actually thinking about it right now, so I might join someday, but I don't know just yet. I'm just thinking about it. I'm just surprised that the CEO, Mr. Sinkwitz, eating on me. I appreciate him. Wanting me to join this company. I appreciate that. I really appreciate him wanting me to join this service. I really appreciate it. I truly am, you know, thankful for for him emailing me and wanting my interest in his company here. So he's the CEO of this company, so that's a win. So he's a nice guy. So yeah. So like I said, guys, Intellifluence is free to sign up and always be free. You have to be 13 to sign up, guys, so keep that in mind. If you're 18, it doesn't matter, you can sign up or whatever. If you're 13, you have to get your parents' permission for signing up or whatever. And then once you sign up, you'll be asked for a payment method, PayPal or Venmo. So keep that in mind. I don't have either services. So if you guys have ever used PayPal or Venmo, let me know how good or bad the services are. I'm sure that they're pretty good services, but I never used them. So let me know what your experiences are on PayPal and Venmo services. Let me know what your experiences are with those, because I would like to know and I'm curious about that. So those are the payment methods that they want you to submit a PayPal or Venmo. I'm hoping that they'll add more payment methods in the future. I'm hoping that they will. I'm hoping that they'll add like prepaid cards on there, like like prepaid debit cards or whatever. Hoping that they'll do that in the future. I hope so. That'd be cool if they do. But for now, they'll ask you for PayPal or Venmo. So do keep that in mind, guys. That's the only thing I don't like about it, because I don't have Venmo or PayPal, obviously. But other than that, this site is awesome. I'm not signed up for it yet, but I'm thinking about it. So I mean, it's free. Sign up for it, and you never know, you might like it. And yeah. So yeah, I'm just shocked that I got approached by the CEO of this company. I'm surprised I did. But I am thankful that he wanted me to join his company. I'm thankful for that, and I might consider joining. And I might consider joining. I might consider, I really appreciate him offering my invitation to this website. I appreciate that a lot. So thank you very much. So yeah, I want to know, have you guys been contacted by any influencer companies like this, and have you guys signed up for them? And do you guys like them? What are your experience with those? And yeah. So if you guys want to try this site here, it's free to use and it does not cost you nothing. If you're an influencer, it will never cost you nothing. But if you're a brand, it will cost you, guys. So I'll keep that in mind. But if you're an influencer, if you're just an influencer, just a regular somebody like myself, it doesn't cost you nothing, guys. It's free, no risk. It doesn't have to try it out. I mean, why not? I mean, shit, getting free products or cash for your honest reviews. Hey, it's why not? It's pretty cool, right? So, yeah, if you guys want to check out this website, I will have a link to that in the description of this video, and I suggest you guys check it out. I suggest you guys check it out. Check it out, man. It's free, and why not? It's pretty cool, and it's pretty interesting as well. So that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.